So hi guys, we are back with another Bonfire Night recipe for you. This is always one of my favourite recipes to make. We'll be making chocolate bark. So I'm going to be doing one and Julianne's going to be doing one. I'm going to be using milk chocolate.
And I'm going to be using white chocolate.
So as you can see, we've kind of gone a bit crazy with our decorations. So we have loads of sprinkles, we have of course Magibles, and we have lots of different fun popcorn, marshmallows. So they're going to obviously be Bonfire Night themed. What we're going to start off by doing is melting our chocolate. We're just going to pop these in the microwave. So you want to make sure that when this comes out of the microwave, everything is melted. Perfect. In the microwave it goes. Yeah. Number one is don't burn the chocolate.
Okay, so now we are just going to pour in. So I've got a baking sheet here. Just put it in a baking tray. And all I'm going to
try and pour it in like a really controlled way because you want to kind of create Now it's time for decorating. So what would you like to add on your chocolate? So we have lots of different sprinkles here.
Well, this is going to be the secret ingredient.
Yeah, that's a must.
The Magibles. And I'm done.
Woo!
Check it out, guys. You make sure when you're having a bonfire night party, do it in the morning with the kids, and then you can do an activity, go back in a couple of hours to make sure it's all solidified.
Pop it in. Wow, I love it.
It looks like firework.
For the finishing touches, do you have a wooden...
That was a better idea!
Gonna crush my Magibles.
Hers is gonna look better than mine.
Wow! This is like carnival fun. I don't know if you can see it, probably not. So I'm now just going to put that in the fridge as well and leave it for around 1 to 2 hours, and then we'll be back and we'll show you the final thing. So the chocolate bark is all out of the fridge and it honestly looks amazing. I can actually probably like tip it down this time. I really have gone overload on all my decorations.
Mine's understated.
Yeah, mine's just a bit bonkers. Perfect little bark piece. I don't gonna lie, this looks so good.
Ready?
Yeah. I can't get in it.
Too much wrong.
Mine is so good. This is really yummy.
Your guests would love this. Also, it's a great way of getting the kids involved. Makes it easy, simple, and even if they do want to overload things like that, like it looks really, really aesthetically pleasing for like a party. So you can literally just have it out. It took us what? 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. You put it on the tray. All you have to do is do everything else you want to do for your party and get it out of the fridge.
So have a lovely and very, very safe bonfire night, and we will see you all very, very soon.